Hello, hello, hello. It's Dr. Dawn. And guess what? It's time for intuition test number 6. Today, we're going to be talking about clairsentience. Okay. We know that there are multiple clairs that we use to help us to assess, navigate, and enhance our intuition. So far, we've talked about clairaudience, which is the ability to hear guidance via auditorily. We've talked about clairvoyance, the ability to see guidance via our mind's eye. And today we're going to talk about clairsentience, which is our ability to feel, like that gut feeling that we have as it relates to certain things, or sometimes that physical feeling that we have. That's our clairsentience in terms of our guidance system, okay? So today, in order to practice our clairsentience, we're going to do a little exercise. So you're going to need a piece of paper, a pen, and you don't have to have an envelope, but if you got one handy, get it. So pause this video and go get those things: a piece of paper, a pen, and an envelope. You don't have to have an envelope, but if you have it, fine, okay? And so I'll be back here when you come back, okay? All right. So for those of you who are now back, you've started and you push play. This is what I want you to do. I want you to understand that everything has energy, including words that are on paper. So you're going to use your clairsentient abilities, clairsentient intuitive abilities, to predict what words you've written on paper. Okay, so let's just go through this. So I've taken a piece of paper, okay, and I've written some words on it. I've cut it into multiple strips or ripped it up into multiple strips of paper, as you should do. Take a piece of paper, rip it up. I have 6 different pieces of paper, and I've written words on them, words that describe feelings. So like I have peace, joy, hate, happy, angry. So just all different kind of emotions that you can think of. Write these emotions down. Take some strips of paper. Doesn't have to be a lot. I just picked, this is actually 5. I thought it was 6. 5. You can do 4, you can do 3, you can do 8, you can do however many you want to for practice, but we're just going to do maybe 2 during this session, okay? So take a moment, write down some emotions or feelings that you can think of, both positive and negative, or high vibrational, lower vibrational, I should say, in terms of feelings, okay? So take a moment, write those on your slips of paper. And if you have an envelope handy, put the paper or ball these up, put them into the envelope, or if you don't have an envelope, just ball them up right there in front of you. And put them right in front of you where you cannot see the words. It should be just little balls of paper. All right. Now, you guys may have to pause as we go, but I'm going to keep going. All right. So after you've done that and you have your balls of paper all crinkled up, I want you to grab one of the pieces of paper just randomly. You don't even have to look. Just pick it up. And I want you to hold this paper. And I want you to feel for the energy that it possesses. Because remember, you've used high vibrational and low vibrational words. And so what you're going to do is hold it and feel the energy. You're going to use your clairsentient ability, which is that gut feeling, your physical feeling as it relates to the word. And I want you to sit for a second and see if this word feels high vibrational or low vibrational. I take a deep breath first while I do my own right here in front of you. Okay, my piece of paper feels like a high vibrational word. So I'm going to take my pen because I'm just going to pretend like I'm doing multiple trials, but today I'm just doing this 1 or 2 for you. I'm going to write down high vibrational for my first piece of paper. Now I'm going to open it up for you guys since we're doing a little class, so to speak. And let's see what this word is. Peace. So that's pretty high vibrational. My clairsentient, can you see it? My clairsentient abilities were spot on. Peace. All right, I'm going to do it again. Let me just pick up a random one. And let me see what this feels like. Let me use my clairsentient abilities to feel the vibration of this word. Notice how I take a deep breath so I can clear my energy field. And this one feels pretty low energy, okay? So I'm going to write down on my paper, low vibrational for paper number 2, piece of paper number 2. Now, I write them down because you may want to go through all of them, but for this sake of this class or this trial, I'm just writing them down so I'll know for reference, okay? So I said this one feels low vibrational. Aha! Angry. Can you see it? Angry. My clairsentient abilities were spot on with this one, energetically, angry. So this is to show you that everything has energy, you guys. Everything has energy. What you have to do is put yourself in a place of alignment, mindfulness, and presentness. Be present in the moment to feel the guidance that is being given to you. So practice this clairsentient exercise. You can do it with multiple different words. You can do it with phrases or affirmations, or you can do it with low vibrational phrases as well. Energy, energy, energy. Practice feeling the energy for guidance. Okay. All right. This is your intuition test number 6 on clairsentience. Practice, practice, practice. Okay. Bye-bye.